Here we are at Caerleon Roman Amphitheatre. This is one of the ways in for spectators. There's the amphitheatre itself. We'll walk down the steps here. Imagine being either perhaps a soldier or a family member of somebody at the legionary fort, walking down here, and then coming through this arch up to the seating. We would have been able to view whatever was going on. There we are, up the steps there. Up into where the wooden stands would have been. Could have had a good view of whatever was going on in the amphitheatre. Of course, you could just come straight on through that doorway there. You get a view straight out into the amphitheatre itself.